Hi everyone! Last week, you learned about ordinal numbers. First, second, third. We use ordinal numbers to talk about dates, order or sequence, and floors. This week, you will learn about when to use cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3. We use cardinal numbers to talk about age, money, and phone numbers. Age. How old are you? I am years old. How old are you? I am 24 years old. How old are you? I am 31 years old. How old is he? He is 7 years old. How old is she? She is 80 years old. How old are they? They are 14 years old. Money. How much is it? It is $4. How much is it? It is dollars. How much is it? It is $10. How much is it? It is $22. How much is it? It is $59. How much is it? It is $61.20. Dollars, cents. How much is it? It is $70.20. and 19 cents. Dollars, cents. How much is it? It is $99 and 99 cents. And how much is it? It is $100 and 46 cents. Dollars and cents. Phone numbers. What is your phone number? My phone number is 8281 432 899. What is your phone number? My phone number is 0421 553 608. 0 or O. Both are okay. What is your phone number? My phone number is 6703 212 079. 0 or O. Both are okay. Let's practice. Please listen and write the phone number. Number 1. 7602 331 978. Please listen again. 7602 331 978. Number 2. 0841 982 356. Please listen again. 0841 9, 8, 2. 3, 5, 6. Number 3. 5, 2, 3, 9. 7, 0, 3. 4, 0, 7. Please listen again. 5, 2, 3, 9. 7, 0, 3. 4, 0, 7. Well done. Now do the worksheet. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Learn English
Why are you eating chocolate?
with your favorite English teacher,
Hi everyone!
Grandma.
In, on,
Vocabulary,
orange,
activities, real-life conversations.
the changing room is over there.
More than 100 lessons.
Hi everyone! Today, we will practice English conversation.
Worksheets for every lesson. Weekly live classes. Take your English to the next level. With Rachel's online English program. Start for free. School.com/learn English with Rach.